Hi folks, today I am going to show how to sort an array ascending order. Okay, how to sort an array ascending order. So here I am taking one array. Here I am taking one array. So let's jump into the code. I am taking one arrow function const ascending. Okay, this arrow function takes one argument. After that, simply return array dot slice dot. Here I am using short method a comma b a minus b. Okay, simply console log ascending within this I pass array. Okay, so basically here I am using slice method. You know already, right? What is the main advantage of slice method? So basically slice method simply copy of the original array. If you modify that array, does not affect on the original array. If you modify that array, does not affect on the original array. That's why we are using slice method. Okay, after that I'm using sort method. So within this I'm passing two variables a comma b and a minus b. Okay, simply short this array by using short method. Finally I'm consoling this array. Okay, finally consoling this array. I'm opening terminal window. Okay, see. So initially this array 34, 7, 23, 32, 5, 62. I want ascending order. Ascending order means 5, 7, 23, 32, 62. Small to high. This is the ascending order, right? Finally, I get the output. Okay. So if you want descending order, within this function, if you want descending order, you can change b minus a. Save. Now I am opening terminal window, clear screen. See, 62, 34, 32, 23, 7, 5. This is the descending order. So within this I found ascending order and descending order, this array. So we have one more challenge. Within this we have one more challenge. Let's take one object. I want to find the ascending order. Let's take one object const array object. I'm taking one array object. Okay, name Praveen, age 25, sorry. Okay, and I'm taking copy. Okay, here I'm taking Naveen, so age 50, 20. Okay, this is the one array of object. So here I want to find ascending order. I want to find ascending order using short method. Same way, I'm taking one arrow function. I'm taking one within this pass one parameter array. Simply return okay, array dot, you know already, slice method, array dot slice method dot short method a comma b arrow function a minus b. So see, this is the array, but I want to find the ascending order based on the age. I want to find the ascending order based on the age, right? A dot age minus b dot age. Okay, a dot age minus b dot age. Save it, consoling. Ascending object, array of object. Save it. Now I commented this one. Okay, I'm saving. I'm opening terminal window. I'm clear console. See, so based on the age, ascending order, here age is 20. Okay, and after 25 and after 50, based on the ascending order. Based on ascending order, we get the output. This is the output. Okay, so initially I'm taking one array. I want to find out the ascending order. Ascending order, you take a minus b. Okay, descending order, you take b minus a. Here I am using slice method. Basically, slice method is used without affecting on the original array. Okay, this is the array of object. You want to find out the ascending order. This is the way you follow based on age. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.